Woo-hoo-hoo. God damn.
You gotta give us fatty some
Holy
space
shit. That was nice, man.
Yeah, you did it, right?
Oh yeah. Was that the one you guys were talking
Stay to the
about?
left.
He got it.
Good job.
Whew.
Now here comes the switchback up here.
Oh shit, I lost momentum. You good?
Oh. Yep.
Oh man.
That stump hit my quad.
Oh shit.
Oh. Yeah, that's one thing you have to watch out for. Is
Oh, that stump, yeah.
stump, yeah.
It's like a trap.
Dead leg. Did you? Oh. Did you follow my light? Yes. And I couldn't stop because I'm too fat. I couldn't get traction. Yeah, that's one thing he needs, traction right there.
Well, I got that on video.
Alright. Okay.
Oh, good. Damn, that is fucking, that is sketch.
Yeah, so what I do, I bring it inside, then I let my back tire kind of slide.
Near the tree, that's what you did?
Yeah. Well, the problem is I didn't cut back in and my front tire went there.
Oh yeah.
And then once it went there, I still couldn't flip out, so I was kind of stuck in my leg. Oh, sorry. You good? Yeah. Woo. Told you I might crash. But at least I tried.
You want me to get you on video? Taking that one?
Find out
Yeah, that one's a bitch. Alright. Woohoo! Almost ate shit. Advantage of a 26. Could maneuver hella quick. Oh fuck. Stop my shit. What the fuck happened? Something wrong with my... Is there something in my... Fuck, I'm just riding downhill. Something's wrong with my bike. Yeah.
Good job. Good job.
My bike's fucked up.
Good. What happened?
It won't pedal. Fuck.
These are the trails when that fucking brakes just fixed.
Oh shit, my derailleur fucked up.